the wind? I'm listening. Shake. I should hardly think he will come tonight. Mate. That's the worst of living so far out. All the business, luxury places to live in. This is the worst.
Never mind, dear. Perhaps you will win the next one.
Someone knocked the door?
Someone is there.
Senior Mayor Morris.
Long time no see.
Come in, come in. Oh, yes, door. Everyone, this is Senior Mayor Morris.
It's a pleasure.
Oh my God, I read your group.
Please, sit.
Sit down. Would you like something to drink?
Glasses scotch, please.
Cheers.
Cheers. 21 years of age, when he went away, he was asleep in the warehouse, and now look at him.
Well, he doesn't look that bad.
I like to go to India myself, you know, to look around a bit and pass a little time there. There where you are. I like to go to see old temples, fakirs and jugglers, you know. What did you started telling me the other day about a monkey's paw or something, Maurice? Nothing? This way's nothing worth hearing.
A monkey's paw?
Well, it's just a bit what you might call magic, perhaps. To look at, it's just an ordinary little paw, dried to a mummy. What is special about it? It had a spell put on it by an old fakir, a very holy man. He wanted to show that faith ruled people's lives, and those who interfere with it did so to their sorrow. He put a spell on it so that 3 separate men could each have 3 wishes from it.
Well, why don't you have 3, sir?
I have.
And did you really have the 3 wishes granted?
I did.
And has anybody else wished?
The first man had his 2 wishes, yes. I don't know what the first 2 were, but the third was for them. That's how I got the paw. You have your 3 wishes. This is no good to you now. What did you keep it for, Morris? Fancy, I suppose. If you could have another 3 wishes, would you have it? I don't know. I don't know.
Better let it burn.
No, Morris! What are you doing? Give it, if you don't want it, give it to me. I won't. I threw it on the fire. If you keep it, don't blame me for what happens. Push it on the fire again, like a sensible man. How do you wish with it? Hold it up your right hand and wish out loud. But I warn you of the consequences.
Sounds like they're having nights. Don't you think you might wish for 4 pairs of hands for me, honey?
If you must wish for something sensible. I must live. Burn the paw, otherwise you will regret it. Don't wish with it, or you will all die. Just burn it!
talisman about the monkey is not more truthful than those he has been telling us. We shouldn't make much of it.
Did you give him anything for it, Father?
A bottle of whiskey. He didn't want it, but I made him to take it. And he forced me again to throw it away in the fire.
Likely, we are going to be rich and famous and happy. Wish to get a hamburger, Father. Then you can be hamburger.
I don't know what to wish for, and that's a fact. Because seems to me I have all I want.
Father, wish for 200 pounds.
Ah, that's a good idea. I wish for 200 pounds. It moves! As I wish it twists my hand like a snake.
Well, I don't see the money.
It must have been your fancy, Father.
I sure it did. As I wish it twists my hand. Never mind though, there's no harm done, but he gave me a choke all the same.
I expect you will find the cash tied up in a big bag in the middle of your bed. And something horrible will be up on top of the watch of watching you.
I hope not, son. I hope not.
I suppose all those soldiers are the same. The idea for listening to such nonsense. How could we wishes granted in these days, and if they could, how could 200 pounds hurt you, honey?
Well, I have to work. Don't break the money before I come back, huh?
Okay.
I have to work.
Okay.
Could you bring me a Happy Meal, honey?
Yeah, sure.
Thanks.
Bye, Mom. Bye, Dad.
Alright. Bye, Sonny.
Sarah will have some of his funny remarks, I expect, when he comes home.
I did it safe. But for all that, the thing moved in my hand.
You thought it did.
I say it did. What's the matter? What are you looking at?
There's someone outside in the garden.
What? Hi. Good afternoon. Please, come in.
What's the matter? I was asked to call. I come from McDonald's. What's the matter? Has anything happened to my server? What is it? What is it? Can I see?
Sure. Calm down, Mother. Calm down. Don't jump to conclusions. I'm sure you don't write bad news, man.
I'm so sorry. Is he hurt? Badly hurt. But he's not in any kind of pain. Oh, thank God. Thank God for that. He was caught in the burger machinery. Caught in the burger machinery? Yes. No, my camera. My baby. He was brought No.
He was the only one left to us.
No. I just want to let you know that McDonald's is claiming all kind of responsibility. And